Good day, sir. I am Rail Raven Luingas, base Chem 3, and this is my special report in our subject, forensic. So this is the four major components of a polygraph, detailed parts and functions. So number one is the pneumograph or the respiratory system. So ang main function ng ini is to detect o mag-record ng changes in breathing, rate, depth, and pattern sa chest and abdomen movement. So ang main assembly of parts is rubber convoluted tubes. So in rubber convoluted tubes is 10 inches long corrugated rubber tubes. So next is the pneumo 1, the thoracic or thoracis. So the pneumo 1 is placed around the chest. So number 2 is the pneumo 2, the abdominal. So placed around the upper abdomen. So amoy ni they expand and contract as the subject breathes. So ini kuno is mo expand o mo contract if ang subject mo ginhawa. So an bedded chain, so used to secure and hold the rubber tubes in place. So ang bedded chain kuno is used to secure o maghawid ng rubber tubes in place. So next is the connecting tube. Thicker rubber tube linking the sensors to the machine. So amo kini ang thicker rubber tubes nagalink sa sensors pa machine or to the machine. So next is the recording unit and controls. So two recording pens. Ang two recording pens is 5 inches long. Amo ini ang mag-draw ng breathing patterns on the chart. Next is the centering knob. Amo ini ang mag-adjust ng position to keep the pen centered. Amo ko ni ang mag-keep na ang pen ko no hiyaon na sa center. So next is the sensitivity knob. So amo ini ang mag-control kung how big or small ang tracing lines na mo appear. So next is the vent valve. Amo ini ang mag-release ng excess air pressure inside the system. So anya kono function is mag-release ng excess air pressure inside the system. So the pneumo module, inside unit na mag-receive movement signals and moves the pen. So amo kuno ani ang mag-receive, ang pneumo module kuno ang mag-receive ng movement signals ug amo sabi ni ang mag-move ng pen. So next is the pattern and normal rate. So ang tracing ga-show inspiration or upstroke and expiration downstroke. So one cycle, one breath. So ang normal amplitude is 1/2 to 3/4 inch. A normal breathing rate and sa adults kuno or 12 years above is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. And sa children 5 to 12 is 20 to 25. And sa toddlers kuno which is 2 to 5 years old is 25 to 30. And ang sa infants is 25 to 40. So what does it show? When lying, ang breathing kuno becomes irregular, faster, shallower, or held. O kung mamakak kuno, ang breathing kuno becomes dili irregular or normal. Tapos paspas, lawom, og pinugnan. So next is the cardiofemograph, the cardiovascular system. So ang main function ng ini is to detect and records blood pressure changes. So mag-record kuno siya ng blood pressure changes, pulse rate, blood volume, and heart activity. Amo ito niya i-detect o i-record blood pressure, pulse rate, blood volume, and heart activity. So the main assembly and parts. So blood pressure cuff. So ang blood pressure cuff i-wrap around sa imo right arm, centered over the brachial artery 1 inch above elbow. So ini has a rubber bladder inside. So next is an pump valve or air pump used to inflate air into the cuff. So ini ko ng pump valve or air pump amo ini ang ga inflate ng air into the cuff. So next is the sphygmomanometer is ang gauge na mag-show ng pressure level. Tapos ini usually set to 60 to 80 for testing. And next is the connecting tubing. So, ining connecting tubing is ga-transmit ng pressure changes into machine. Amo ko nun iya kuan. I-transmit niya ang pressure changes sa machine. So, next is the recording unit and controls. So, number 1 is the recording pen. 5 inches long. Ga-draw ng heart or blood pressure wave. Amo yon ang kuan ng recording pen. Ga-draw ng heart or blood pressure wave. So next is the cardio module. So an internal part na mag-convert ng pressure changes into movement ng pen. So ang cardio module ko no is an internal part na i-convert ang pressure changes into pen movement. So next is the sensitivity control. Ini is ga-adjust ng height of the tracing. So, gina-adjust ko no niya or amo ini ang ga-adjust ng height sa tracing. So, next is the centering control. So, ini yung centering control, amo na ini siya ang ga-keep ng pen na align. Ang galaang na ng mga pen. Siya kuno ang ga-keep ng para ma-align ang mga pens. So, the vent valve, ang mag-release ng extra air pressure safely. So, ono i-record what it records. Number 1 is relative blood volume pressure. Changes ng baseline wave. Systolic, top curve into heart contracts, tapos valve open, o blood close. Diastolic, so ang bottom curve to heart relaxes, tapos valve close. So number 2 is pulse amplitude, the height of each wave. So, ang pulse amplitude is mo gamay if stress ka. So, ang pulse rate, time between beats, ang normal ini is 72 to 80 beats per minute. So, normal versus abnormal values, ang normal kuno is 120 over 80. And pre-hypertension is 120 to 139 or 80 to 89. And hypertension is 140 plus over 90 plus. So what it shows, kung mamakak ka, ang imo BP mo rise, tapos ang imo pulso mo paspas, tapos ang wave magkagamay og irregular. Di kung mamakak ka, ang imo BP mo taas, ang imo pulso mo paspas ang beat, og ang wave magkagamay or mo irregular siya. So next is the galvanograph or the electrodermal activity, JSR. So ang main function ng ini is measure skin's electrical conductivity caused by tiny sweat gland changes from nervousness. So ang ini ko no is mag-measure ng skin electrical conductivity naga-cause ng bisan tiny sweat gland changes from kakulba or nervousness. So, aniya parts og setup, two metal electrodes i-attach sa fingertips or palm. Pwede nimo siya bisan hain basta kay imo siya laktawan ng isa, dili siya pwede idikit. Example ini, nga nimo siya butangan nga di laktawan nimo siya ng isa. So next is the conductive paste. Amo ini ang ga-ensure ng good conduct or good contact sa skin. So next is galvano module. Amo ini nga send ng small safe current o measure resistance. Next is the recording pen. Amo ini ang drawing or mag-draw ng sharp upward lines, pataas na lines kung ang skin maghuwas. Tronco, amo ang recording pen is ang mag-draw ng sharp upward lines kung maghuwas ang imo skin. So, what it shows. So, kung mabakakaw, ang imo nervous system mo activate. Tapos kung maghuwas ang imo skin, ang electricity na niya on mo flow easier. Tapos ang graph mo jump din siya sharply. Tapos ang most sensitive indicator mo react siya before kaw kulbaon. Most sensitive indicator reacts before you feel nervous. Next is the chemograph or the recording system. So its main function is to capture all three signals together sa isa ka one chart paper or digital screen. So aniya parts is chart drive motor. So amoy ni ang mag-move ng paper at constant speed, pero usually 6 inches per minute. Number 2 is inkwell or pen assembly. So amoy ni an tanan pens draw at the same time. So amo ko ni ang pens mag-draw siya sa same exact time. So next is an paper roll or an digital display. So amoy ni an hide ang results makita. Next is the timing line. Amoy ni an mag-mark every 5 seconds to match the question. So why it is important? So kay dili ka maka-judge from one line only. So dapat imo siya i-compare ang Newmo, Cardio and Galvano together to decide truth or deception or backup. So last is ako lang siya i-recap or amin yung summary. So, ang 4 components, so amoy ito ang pneumograph, which is breathing, tapos breathing sa chest and abdomen tubes, tapos kung irregular ang breathing is stress. So, next is ang cardio pigomograph, so heart and PP, tapos arm cuff, tapos kung faster rate or higher pressure, amoy animo reaction. So number 3 is ang galvanograph, itong skin or sweat. So amoy ni ang finger electrodes, tapos kung sharp rise, ginervous ka. Number 4 is ang chemograph, ang recording, itong all lines together or complete evidence. So ang tanang part may control, centering, sensitivity, vent ug module. So ang normal patterns kay smooth and regular. Tapos itong deception patterns kay sharp, irregular, o ma-change na siya only sa relevant questions. So no single component decide. So walay kuno single component na mag-decide. Ikaw ang mag-analyze siya on all together. So an polygraph or any na machine does not read minds. It reads physiological changes caused by emotional stress. So every part is designed to catch the body's natural reaction when a person is hiding the truth. So that would be all, sir. Good day once again, and thank you.